Just like many of you, I have struggled with my weight loss too. But over the years, I made little changes to my lifestyle by doing workouts like for 3 days a week and avoiding fatty foods, but not all the time. I do enjoy my favorite foods time to time, but I also make conscious effort to control the portion I eat. Also, I started with intermittent fasting 2 years ago. That I think really helped with my food habits. I'm a strong believer in doing things that I can continue to do, and although it was difficult in the beginning, over the years things have become easy and I do it without getting bored. So, today I'll show you one of my simple and healthy meal with a mix of dals that I include not just in my diet but for my family as well. Here I have taken 1/3 cup of tur dal, add that to a bowl, then add 1/3 cup of masoor dal and 1/3 cup of moong dal. So you actually have to take 1 cup of these 3 dals in total. Then add 1 cup of rice. Make sure to pour water and wash it really well for 3 times. Let this soak for 30 minutes. If you're working and planning to cook a quick meal for lunch, make sure to soak the rice and dal first thing in the morning. To a pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Do not worry, as this is not a lot of oil and ghee. This dish is actually going to serve 4 people. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and few curry leaves. I'm using dried curry leaves here because in the place I live, they sell the curry leaves in small packets. So I dry them and use it for a number of days. Then add a small chopped onion. Saute it until the onions turn translucent. Then add a tablespoon of roughly chopped garlic and ginger. Saute it for a minute, then add 2 slit green chilies. The green chilies and the ginger will add the needed spiciness, but you can actually increase or decrease based on your taste. Then add 1 small tomato that is chopped. Give it a mix and add a teaspoon of turmeric. Here I am adding just a small cinnamon stick. Do not add more or it will taste like biryani. Drain the water completely and add the soaked dal and rice mix. Mix this well for a minute or 2. You can add some vegetables at this point, but say you're working and you need to make something quick for lunch in the morning, you might not have time to cut vegetables, so you can just skip that. I had some fresh spinach, so I chopped and added that as well. This is completely optional. Mix this and then add water. I have added 1 cup of dal and 1 cup of rice. So add 3 times of water, that is 6 cups. If you want a khichdi consistency, you can add an extra cup of water or you can add extra cup of water after it is cooked as well. Now add salt to your taste and give it a stir. Close the cooker and cook it for 4 to 5 whistles as we need the dal to be completely cooked. Once the pressure releases, open the lid. Like I said, you can add water for a khichdi consistency, but I like it this way. This will easily thicken in 30 minutes if it cools down. So you have to transfer it to a hot pack if you're having it for lunch or say for dinner. As this meal is full of protein, it will keep you full for a long time. Finally, sprinkle some coriander leaves. If you want to learn about intermittent fasting, I have provided some links in the description below. Do make sure to check that out. Eat healthy and live healthy. Thanks for watching.